I was going to read something of mine that was in this because it had a performance art show of mine in there, and the only one I thought that I hadn't read here before, I thought I would read now. And this is called, yes, it was from a show called Sexism and Other Stories. I had a bunch of pieces that were all about things and opinions of women. And so I thought I'd read this one called The Men at the Construction Site. A woman told me that scientists did an experiment where a woman first walked past a construction site with her head down. No one bothered her. No one noticed her. Everyone at the site left her alone. Then, later in the day, she walked past again in the same outfit with the same stride, but this time she walked with her head up more confidently. And that's when she got the calls, the whistles from the men at the construction site. And you tell me it's not deliberate. And you tell me it's not an effort to keep women in their place.